Mosiuoa Terra Lekota, the former Premier of the Free State, National Chairperson of the African National Congress, and President of the Congress of the People, has passed on. Mosiuoa Lekota is one of the people who formed the United Democratic Front, the UDF, which was established in 1983. So Terra Lekota was one of the people who were at the forefront of the UDF. The UDF was a formation which was made of different organizations, be it political parties, trade unions, and community organizations. You'd remember that in 1983, the likes of African National Congress, the South African Communist Party, the Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania, the PAC, were banned, meaning they were operating underground. So they needed, the people of South Africa, they needed an organization that they could use to unite all the forces who were resisting the apartheid regime. And they could not use, of course, they could not use the African National Congress, as I've already said, that the ANC was banned. Same thing with the South African Communist Party and the PAC. So they came to a decision to establish the UDF. In the UDF, you had religious organizations, you had trade unions, student organizations, different formations. And of course, there's also this history of the UDF that at the time there was a serious contestation as well on the ground between the UDF and the Black Consciousness Movement. In some instances, even escalating to violent confrontations between the Black Consciousness Movement, the BCM, and the UDF itself. So one of those people, it was Mosiuoa Terra Lekota. We know that, of course, in 1997, Mosiuoa Terra Lekota was then elected the ANC national chairperson in the ANC conference that was held in Mahikeng, now known as Mahikeng. Then he was later on appointed the Minister of Defense under the presidency and administration of President Thabo Mbeki. He went on, of course, in 2007, Polokwane, he was on the Thabo Mbeki slate. They lost the conference. Then in 2009, rather late 2008, they established COPE, the Congress of the People, himself alongside the likes of Mbazi Mashilowa. But now we know the history of COPE is well documented that later on Mosiuoa Lekota got into a conflict with Mbazi Mashilowa, which later on crippled COPE, as we now know. COPE is now in the peripheries. So Mosiuoa Lekota has not been well for quite some time. So now this morning we received the news that he is no more. May his soul rest in peace. Please go to your comment section and give me your own memories of Mosiuoa Terra Lekota. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Devos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Kama Kuma Africa.